In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook, not updating email without a restart. If Outlook stops refreshing your inbox properly, it can look like new emails just are not coming in, even though they may already be waiting on the server. The good news is that in many cases, you do not need to close the app or restart your computer to fix it. We are going to walk through a quick adjustment in Outlook settings, and then I will show you another simple refresh option if the issue is still happening. Start by opening Outlook and making sure you are on the main screen. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left and click File. This will open the Outlook menu where you can access Account and App Settings. From there, click Options. A new window will appear with different categories on the left-hand side. In that list, click Advanced. This section contains a variety of Outlook behaviors and background settings, including options related to how mail is sent and received. Now, scroll down until you find Send and Receive, and then click on it. This area is important because it controls how Outlook checks for new messages and updates your folders. If Outlook is not refreshing properly, this is one of the first places you want to look. Opening this section can help trigger or confirm the settings connected to mail synchronization. If you are still having the problem after checking that area, go back to the main Outlook window. This time, click the Send/Receive tab at the top. This tab gives you direct access to manual syncing tools, which are useful when Outlook is not updating automatically. Next, click Send/Receive All Folders. This tells Outlook to immediately check all connected folders and download any new messages, updates, or changes. In many cases, this forces Outlook to refresh without needing a restart. Give it a few moments to complete, especially if you have multiple accounts or a large mailbox. As a helpful tip, watch the status bar in Outlook while this runs, because it may show that folders are updating or connecting. If the update completes successfully, your inbox should refresh and display the latest emails. That is how to fix Outlook when it is not updating email without restarting. It is a quick process, easy to repeat, and often enough to get things working again right away.